Good morning everyone, good morning. Look at this beautiful morning. It's 5 a.m. I got up at about 4 a.m. and here right by the cliffs, and it's beautiful. Right, what I want to do now is just to give a breakdown what kind of equipment I carry with me in my bag. Don't want to make it too long, so let's crack on. Here's the list, or here is the video. Well, first of all, my tent is a Fox 2 OEX, a two-man tent, which gives me plenty of room, and it's nice and wide, as you can see. I'm quite happy with it. The only thing, my only feedback is on the top here. There are strings that you need to attach. There should be, like, clips like this, but there's loads of room in here. I mean, I'll put my air mat over there, and here I've got loads of space for my rucksack to put on. So it's a double skin, and it's waterproof, and it has survived the Ogden Valley rain at the first night when I was out there. Right, okay. My rucksack is a 45 litre Twin Peak DLX that I bought from Trespass. It was on offer. It was around £39. I have my here normal mat that I put my air mat on top of it. For the air mat, I've got the Thermarest small one. It's nice, the air's gone deflated. And as far as my sleeping bag is, I've got the Vangu Voyage 100, which is 8 to 25 degrees, 2 season. So I have used this at the Ogden Valley, and it was around 6 degrees at night, and I have felt very comfortable, so I've had no problem. And then I've got my pillow, which is quite a basic one from High Gear. So I fold this always long way so I can attach it onto my bag. I have here from Amazon that I bought is my stove equipment, which is like 2 pots with a mini stove inside and a stand for my gas bottle. And my gas bottle is here. This is my wind protection when I do put the stove on. Here I've got my towel. That's like really lightweight when I do my washing. And here I have one of those small bags that goes like half a litre, 500 ml water, just to have it on the go. So this is my sleeping system, my food system. My boots are Scarpa. They're really comfortable, they are brilliant. I can't fault them, they're Gore-Tex, and I love it. Right, as for food, I have bought, just for this trip, from the Expedition Foods on Amazon. Last night, chicken carbonara, not chicken carbonara, pasta carbonara. This is scrambled egg with cheese and caramelized onion. So that's going to be my breakfast later on, but I'm going to put the tent together. And then the sun is coming out there, it's beautiful. So I want to just pack all this up before the sun comes up, because I want to get the drone up. Right, as far as equipment for filming, I've got my drone. Oh, this was the light for my tent, and my head torch is up here. So as far as for filming, I've got the Mavic 2 DJI. I've got here my solar charging battery, which is also wireless, where I put my phone on it charges up. I brought the gimbal with me, just want to do time lapse, but I have forgot the stand, so unfortunately I can't use that for a time lapsing. And time lapsing on the GoPro takes a bit while. And there's my GoPro, which is a Hero 8 black, and with this I just attached that onto my back. I have this system there, and with this, you know, when I'm walking, while I'm walking, it does all the filming. So this is all my kit, guys. So yeah, I had the Vangu 70 litre, sorry, and I found that bag quite heavy, but with this one I walked yesterday quite comfortable. My only feedback is around here, around these edges, that has hurt my back a little bit, right where the belt area is on your waist. So that's the only thing that I've experienced. Other than that, you know, it was all good. Oh, look at this, the water is going back. Ooh, it's high. It's high. Let's see if I can show you from this side. Wow, look at this. It's a bit windy, sorry. Look at that view. All packed, no trace, everything in here, and that's a complete bag. So yeah, all good. Beautiful sunrise.